Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hindsight. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how I detangle my hair in between relaxing periods and to also minimize the amount of breakage. Right now, my hair is relaxed, but I do have a type 3C and 4A hair. So that means I have a mixture of kinky and curly hair. So once I start having lots of new hair growth, I experience lots of friction at the point where my new hair growth meets my already relaxed hair. So what I do is that I often go a week or two without combing my hair because of the friction. It gets really difficult to comb through, and it tends to break a lot as well, so I try not to comb as often. But right now I am going to be combing my hair, and I'm going to show you how I do this. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn one or two things. However, I have to say that this is not a hair channel. In my channel I just produce any videos that or any ideas that come to my mind that I think anyone can benefit from. But anyway, today it's going to be about hair, and this is actually the first part of this video, and there's going to be a second part, but that wouldn't be uploaded until next week. Anyway, without further ado, join me on this video, and I'm going to show you how I detangle my hair to minimize the amount of breakage, before relaxing my hair. So enjoy. Usually what I like to do first of all is to part my hair. So I first part my hair, and I like to start from the back because I find it a lot easier to do. And once I part my hair, I just go in with any moisturizer that I have. It could be any hair oil, it could even be a leave-in conditioner. I really don't have a particular type of hair moisturizer that I like or prefer. To be honest, I prefer using water, but obviously right now I don't need water. I just washed my hair, and so it's dry, and I need some moisturizer to really help me detangle my hair as I go. So I'm just going in with a moisturizer and moisturizing my scalp and my roots, because in this part of the video I'm going to be focusing on the roots of my hair and the point where my natural hair meets my relaxed hair, because that is where I get a lot of friction. So I'm trying to detangle that point of my hair before detangling my entire hair. So once I am done with that, I start to finger detangle my hair, okay? And I do this with a steamer. So you can use any type of steamer you want, but currently I have a normal steamer used for clothing. It's a handheld garment steamer that I bought off Amazon. It's actually not expensive. I don't think I spent more than $15 buying this. And you can find many different type of brands out there. So why I like using a steamer is that the steam really helps to soften my natural hair on the roots, because kinky curly hair can get really dry and brittle, but the steamer really helps to release moisture to my scalp and makes it a lot easier to work with. So it does loosen my curls and helps me to detangle my hair a lot faster as well. So I would advise you or suggest that you should get a steamer. If you can get one and use that while detangling your hair, it will really help you. And I really say thanks to my friend who shared this technique with me, and it's really worked and helped me. I don't think I'd want to go without using my steamer while detangling my hair. So yeah, I'm just finger detangling my hair right now, all through. So I'm just gonna keep doing this until I feel like my hair is detangled enough. So you see, I start from the point where my natural hair meets my relaxed hair, and I work my way all down. So yeah, that's what I do. And then once I am done doing that, I like to go in with my wide tooth comb to just comb out my roots. It really helps. I don't comb my entire hair, I just comb my roots, just to also help loosen the curls and make it a lot easier to work with. So in this video I'm going to say the steps that I go through. So first I pat my hair, and then I go in with a moisturizer, and after that I start to finger detangle, starting from the point where my relaxed hair meets my natural hair using a steamer, and I just finger detangle. And once I'm done finger detangling, I just go in with my wide tooth comb and I comb the roots of my hair. I hope you enjoy. So yeah, I'm just really don't have anything else to say at this point, because that is what I just do for the entire hair as I go. I think the only thing is that this might be time consuming. I like to take my time to finger detangle. Honestly, it really helps, especially when it's time to comb my entire hair. I find that once I finger detangle, it's a lot easier for me to deal with my hair, because what tends to happen to me is that once I start to grow too much new natural hair, the curls in my roots, they tend to travel down my entire hair to the ends of my hair, and they make the ends of my hair very tangled. I don't know if anyone experiences the same thing, but yeah, that just tends to happen to me a lot. So yeah, I just start from the point where my hair meets, my natural and relaxed hair meets, and I go work my way down and I detangle the entire thing to the ends of my hair, because the ends of my hair will get really clumped as well. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, so once I'm done doing that, like I shown you, so yeah, right now I'm just going in with my comb. As you can see, it's so easy to comb through now, unlike before. It's so much easier to comb through the root of my hair. Oh my gosh, that's so good. So obviously right now I'm in the front of my hair, and I'm trying to show you where my kinky hair meets my kinky curly hair, where it meets the relaxed hair. The only way I can really tell through the video, I don't know if it's very clear, is that you can tell that my relaxed hair is a lot brighter in color. It's like light brown, while my roots are dark brown, a lot darker. So yeah, I just repeat the same step over again. That's all. So just keep watching. As you can see right now, my hair is completely detangled from the roots. So the roots is entirely detangled, so it's a lot fuller. And although it's a bit clumpy because of the moisturizer, and if it wasn't moisturized it'd probably be a lot fuller than it is, but obviously I want it to be moisturized so that it can be a lot easier for me to work with. So that's the entire head done. And I'm just going in some more with my, comb and trying to detangle the roots as much as possible. I'm trying to loosen the curls and the kinky in my roots. Yeah. And I think it's really helpful for anyone who relaxes their hair to, make sure that you wait as long as you can to before relaxing your hair. I like to make sure that I wait between 2 and 3 months before relaxing my hair. But this is how I detangle my hair in between those times, before I relax my hair again. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, and if you think anyone can benefit from this video, comment and share. And that's all I can say. I hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next part. Don't forget, this is just part 1 to the second part of this video. In the second video, I am going to be detangling the entirety of my hair. So right now in this first video, I am just focusing on detangling the roots of my hair before working all the way down to the ends of my hair. It's always a two-way process. First detangling the roots, and then next detangling the relaxed hair and detangling the entire hair. Anyway, I feel like I've talked a lot in this video. See you in the next one.